Hello again, everybody. So, I'm sitting there looking at my fountain, admiring my Sundew. Still don't know what this one is right here. So, I know I've seen it before, I just don't know the name. It's a cool looking little plant. If y'all know what that is, comment for me, would you? But today's purpose of the video, these guys, those are gonna be Venus flytrap flowers. Right there. And so, if you have a Venus flytrap and it's sending up its first flower stalks, you have a choice. So, option number one would be to cut them off as soon as you see them. And the reason that you would do this is because that plant is going to use a lot of energy in the growing of those flower stalks and the production of the flowers and seeds. So if you cut those off, the plant does not lose that energy and is able to focus on making more leaves and more traps. Now, I have this guy in a very shallow setup, so only like right here is all his roots got, and that's only about maybe an inch and a half deep. And so I don't want him to get much bigger. So I'm gonna take option 2. I'm gonna let those flowers grow. That way there, the plant should stay a little bit more compact. As you can see, it fits in there perfectly right now. And also, once those flowers are big enough and mature, you have another choice. Before they go into full bloom, you can cut them and plant them. It's called a flower cutting. I've only heard about this, I've never tried it. Technically, I guess I should say I haven't seen results from it yet, and I will explain myself here in a second. But as for the Venus flytrap, I'm going to let those flower, and one of those I'm going to try, well, we're going to try the cutting on both of them, but we'll see if we can get some seeds or something out of there, so we can maybe grow more Venus flytraps. That'd be pretty nifty, huh? And here I have more flytraps, and you can see the difference between what the flower stalk looks like and what a new trap stalk looks like. So this right here is the beginning of a flower stalk, or the one with the little knob on it. And then this one right here is the new trap coming up there. And then this guy has the flower coming up. So some of these flowers from those guys, I'm going to take the flower cuttings probably a bit earlier, because they can grow into those cups that I have them in. And this is where we're doing the experimentation. Those are Drosera, Capensis, albino, and regular Capensis. And we're going to see if those will grow as some Droseras. Because I've also heard tell that you can do it with the Drosera flowers. And if it doesn't work, those are still going to have seeds in them. And there's fungus gnats around that may have been pollinating those. Also, they were growing real close together. So I'm pretty sure those are going to be pollinated with good seeds. And the seeds may fall into the water and make their way into moss, or maybe even just grow in the water. I don't know if they'll grow in just straight up hydroponic. That'd be cool if it does. So with these guys, I'm gonna clip them now. Remember, always use your peroxide. And you want to get real close there. And snip. So, hopefully, I can pick it up here. Hopefully the young flower stalk will have enough energy to form some roots and make a plant. I'm gonna make sure he gets down in there. Very good, but we do want him standing up. Just like that. Alright. Now, let's get the other one. So remember, use your peroxide even between the same species of plants. These guys are growing in the same container, so if one's sick, the other one's sick too, but it's a good habit to stay in. And these plants aren't sick. These plants are looking very good. Make sure to cut at a 45-degree angle. See that? Kind of. A 45-degree angle makes it so that there's more surface area on the bottom of that stem that can throw out roots. So, we have those guys planted. Wish them luck. Wish the flowers in the back luck. And if you have anybody that would benefit from this video, share it to them. But I'd wait till the follow-up comes out just to make sure it works. If you're going to have them do the flower cuttings. We'll do an update on that here once we know if that's going to work or not. Either way. Alright, peace out, yeah.